Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best drip irrigation system. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best drip irrigation system. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. If you're looking to conserve water while ensuring your plants receive optimal hydration, a drip irrigation system is an excellent choice. Here's what to consider when making your purchase. Determine the size of your garden or agricultural area. Smaller gardens may require a simple kit, while larger landscapes will need a more extensive setup. There are two main types, **** pre-assembled kits **** and **** customizable systems ****. Kits are ideal for beginners, offering everything you need in one package. Custom systems allow for greater flexibility and expansion. Look for durable materials like UV-resistant tubing and reliable emitters. High-quality parts ensure longevity and reduce maintenance costs. Check the flow rate of the emitters. For larger gardens, a higher flow rate may be necessary. Ensure your water pressure is compatible with the system you choose. Many systems come with detailed instructions. If you prefer a straightforward setup, consider options labeled as easy to install. Prices can vary widely. Determine your budget, but remember that investing in a reliable system can save money in the long run through water conservation. A drip irrigation system is a smart investment for efficient watering. By considering your needs, the types available, and the quality of components, you can choose the perfect system for your garden or farm. Thanks for watching the video.